Good day everyone, this is Shahnewaz sir. In this video, I'll explain you how to take live class using Google Meet and free Gmail account. So before I start my demo, I will explain some of the queries regarding live class. We have in total 18 queries in all together. I will explain first 5 queries today. So the question 1, how to create group and invite students, I will show you in my video. Do we need to send email every day to the student as admin? No, we don't have to send email every day. We'll store the class code and share with the teachers and students so that the same code can be used every day. How to switch from one class to another if any teacher has more than one class? The class teacher is moving. In between every period there is 5 minutes break, so that the class teacher will go back to his own class and add the teachers, and if he has class then he will switch to his class. So this is the way every time the class teacher is going back to his own class and adding the teachers. Should the present teacher wait for the next teachers to arrive? The present teacher doesn't need to wait for the next teacher because the class teacher is coming to add the new teacher, so the present teacher doesn't need to wait there. How will the teacher close meeting at the end of the class? The class teacher will be there at the last period, and she will be waiting for every student to leave the meeting. When all the students leave the meeting, she will leave at the end of the meeting. So this is the way the class teacher can control the class, and we can take the live class. Now I will show you how class teacher will take her class. For taking her class, the class teacher needs to create 2 text file, one for the student list, another for the teachers list. So in a students file, suppose I am having 30 students, so here are my 3 groups. In every group I have 10 students, and I have created one line for pasting my saving my class code. So this is my student list, and another one is for my subject teachers and the admin list. Here are the emails, so that I can easily copy from here and paste in my meeting. So these are my 2 files. So on the very first day, the class teacher will start a new meeting. Go to Google Meet. She will start a new meeting. Stop the camera, microphone. Join now. So first of all, I have to copy the class code, copy joining information, and store my meeting code so that it can be used every day. I'll go to my text file and I will paste my code here. So this is my joining information, this is my class code, so that every day I can use this code. And I will invite the students by copying the students from here. I will copy 10 students first. I can paste the students email ID here, so that these 10 students, remember I can only at a time add 10 students, not more than 10 students, so that I have taken 10 students, copy only 10 students from there, and I can send the email to the students, so that when the students get the email they can join the meeting. Another way, I can copy the code from here, copy the joining information, and I can email the students so that I can connect all the student all together. I'll go to my mail. I click on compose. And first of all I create paste the joining information, and then I will go to my text file. Because I have already invited these 10 students, so I'll take the rest of the 20 students. I can paste the email addresses here, and I can simply send the mail to the students so that they can join to the meeting. This is the way I can connect all the students, and uh, I can add the teachers also here. So if I want to send the email to teacher also, I just give a enter. I will copy the teachers from there. I'll copy the teachers from there, and I will just simply paste with the students, so that all together I can send the information to all of them. So all the teachers and rest of the 20 students get the email, and they can connect to the meeting. So the first day I have to add the students, and I have to share the code. When you have shared the code, the class code, with all the teachers and the students, so others day you don't have to send the emails to them. They will remember the code, and we'll send them the instructions so that they will remember the code, and the class teachers will also remember the code, and they can, on the first period, students will connect, and teacher will grant the access. Class teacher will grant access, and in other periods the only class teacher has to add the subject teachers only. So this is the way uh, the class teacher can join the students, and connect the students and the teachers to the meeting. So I hope you understand, and you can take the live class. Thank you very much.